is a Linux container technology. So every single chapter has a specific Docker container that user can launch and follow step by step the examples. We decided to do this, which is an extra effort with regard to writing the book, but I think Enrico had a very good idea, and I'm really happy with it. Because one difficulty we had with the previous edition of the book in general was that a few readers asked us about examples not being exactly as appearing in the book. And the difficulty was to understand if the user was doing something, let's say, wrong or different from what was explained in the book, or the database had been modified with respect to the status presented in the book. So with this new approach, where every chapter has its own, let's say, container, we are sure that readers are able to follow the examples as we wrote in the book. And I think this will be really enjoyable also on the reader side.
Yeah, great.